Okay, kind of a weird day today. It's a little bit of an audible day. Power's out, so all the projects that I was working on in the shop, they have to get put on hold for today or however long it takes for the power to come back on. So what my plan is today is that my driveway coming in here is relatively rough, and I spoke with my neighbor and he gave me the go-ahead to use his tractor and box blade to get that all fixed up. So yeah, we'll go take a look at the driveway, see how bad it is, see if it's even worth or capable of being worked on today, and then yeah, we'll go get that tractor and get that smoothed out and go from there. Okay, here's the driveway. You can see all these potholes in here. There's quite a bit of them up here. I mean, so much so that you can, I don't know if you can really see that, but I mean, you're stepping down a few inches into these things. Some of these are craters, but the idea for today is to use a box blade and shape these out. I'm not going to bring any more material over the top, so we'll see how this does. Probably start with more of the critical areas first, but we got some of these that are still retaining water. Most of them don't have water in them, which is good. That's what we want. That, and I'll run up here along the side though too. Shave this edge down so you can almost see how it kind of comes up a little bit. Don't want that because the road's just going to retain water. So we want to get all of this down. See another one. This is the real bad part up in here. A lot of potholes. So this one, it's a pretty good sized one. Here's a good example. This one's been eroding away for a while. You can see the edge right there. You don't want to go and put gravel just right back into these, because a perfect example would be if you were to take a bunch of marbles and put them in a bowl and then slam your fist down into that bowl. There's going to be marbles that go everywhere. It's the same concept with this. If you don't have a good base, a good flat base, it's not going to do you any good. So what we'll do is we'll try and shape this up the best we can. Like I said, we're not going to bring any more material in today because it's just not a good time of year to do so. Yeah, we'll get the tractor up here and shave this out, and hopefully we'll be able to get all these major potholes out of here. Okay, hopefully you can hear me over the tractor, but you can see right there how the box blade is lower on this side than it is on that side. And by dragging it like that, that's what's gonna pseudo give me the crown. It's not gonna be a perfect way to do it, but it's gonna be a better way to do it. That way I can drag that edge too and get that lip that you kind of see on the edge of the driveway down, so then water can drain off of it. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so what I gotta do here is adjust this box blade so it's a little bit flatter, and then I gotta pull the teeth out because we did all the repair work. Pretty much is all done. Now we just gotta smooth it out a little bit, and it's gonna do better if this box blade's a little bit flatter. Hopefully I can do that with my hands. That's probably not gonna happen. Go get a wrench. Always bring the right tools with you the first time. Okay, so we're walking out the driveway that we just fixed up, repaired basically. I mean, you can see that from the first shot that I came in, and it looks way different, way better. It still needs gravel over the top of it, but just it's not the time of year to do it. So with the tools that we had, tools that I had, I did the best that I could. But here's a reason right here. Remember that big pothole that was here full of water? That's the reason that you don't want to do it when it's full of water, because it just kind of heaves out of there. And you still have this real soft consistency. And until that really kind of dries out, you're kind of stuck with it. It's probably going to throw in the same spot, throw gravel out in the same spot. But it's better than it was, and it'll do a whole ton better now. Yeah, turned out really good. A little bit rougher up here, but that's all right. Like I said, we got it smoothed out the best that we could with the tools that we had. Yeah, could have done a little bit more had I had a bucket on the front, but again, not my machine, and I'm thankful that he just let me use it as is. So all right, a couple more finishing touches, and then that's it, we're done. That's all I got for you today. That's where I'm going to end the video. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you like what I got going on, and yeah, follow along with what I have to the projects following. Anyways, catch you on the next video. All right, thanks, bye.